Today is day 20. So without further ado, let's get back to learning and welcome to day 20.
Hi there, my name is Maarten van den Broek and I'll be your guide for this part of the course. This chapter is all about transforming the data in your columns, whether it is numerical or text data. First we'll focus on text data. You will often need to clean the text columns in your data before analysis, as they are prone to data entry errors as well as inconsistencies. Firstly, you should make sure your text columns don't have any obvious typos or incorrect values in them. This can be a little time-consuming to fix in Power Query, so it is better that you fix these errors in the source file if possible. Next, your data should be consistently formatted, meaning that you should not represent the same data point in more than one way, such as having the country column in your dataset have both USA as well as United States in it, since these are both referring to the same country. Likewise, make sure that you are using the same kind of capitalization for all the data points. This will prevent confusion and make the overall experience for you and your report users better. You should also remove all blank space that appears before and after your data, which sometimes appears when loading data from certain sources. The same can be said for punctuation and control characters, which are particularly common when loading data from older data sources and from the web. Finally, a general paradigm to follow is that each column should only represent one piece of information, so you might need to split or combine columns in your dataset to achieve this. Luckily for us, Power Query has many features dedicated to efficiently cleaning text columns, saving us a great deal of time and effort. These features can be found in the Transform ribbon in the Text section. Clicking on Format gives you different options for capitalization, as well as access to two of the most useful transformations when it comes to text data: